vegetable oil going. I already got my chopped veggies. I have some habanero and some onions and some spring onions right there. So if you haven't guessed already, I am making some fried rice. So let's go. So I already prepped everything pretty much. I have my sausage. I kind of fried it up a little, and some shrimp, which I seasoned and I kind of fried a little bit, not too fried up, but just a little, just enough. So now I have some of my onions, pretty much all of it in there, and then a little bit of some habanero. I still have some of it on the cutting board here. Now I still have my spring onions, so I'm just gonna saute it here for a bit. So I'm just adding some cayenne pepper, just a little bit here, just like the flavor it gives. And then I just remember I do have some fresh garlic. So I totally forgot I had some garlic, so I just chopped it up there. It's just a little bit, that's all you need, just for flavor. And I'm gonna throw all of that in there. And then, next thing here, and I'm gonna add some garlic salt here, garlic powder, not salt, but powder. I'm gonna have that going. And then I have some black pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit in there. Just a little bit. And then this is my go-to, I don't know, seasoning. It goes with pretty much just sprinkle a little bit. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Some plain salt. And then I have 2 Maggi cubes, which I'm gonna add in there as well. So I went ahead and added some of the sausage and shrimp in there. The smell is amazing. So I still have a little bit left. And I'm just making this fried rice just to be eaten for one day. Just something quick. I wasn't planning on making it, but something came up and I'm like, okay, let me make some quick fried rice here. And plus, it's a quick recipe. It's almost done. Okay, so I just added the rice in there, and I also added some of this in there just for flavor. And I'm gonna cover it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, and everything should be good to go. And here it is. The rice is ready. Yum, yum.